Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need your IBAN number on Wise? Today I'm going to show you how to get your IBAN number on Wise. Here's how to find it in seconds. First of all, open the Wise app or go to wise.com and log into your account. Next, head over to the account details section. This is where you will find your banking info. Now choose the currency for which you need the IBAN. If you need it for euro, select euro. Under your euro account details, you will see your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code. That's what you need. That's it. Copy your IBAN and use it for transfers. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.